हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू व्लॉग 2। मैंने दोनों व्लॉग डेज़ को मर्ज कर दिया। अभी डे 2 डे 3 का सारा एक्सपीरियंस मैं इस वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ। एंड फ्रॉम द होटल, like not the hotel, sorry, Airbnb in Plaka where I'm staying, it's very easily accessible. Okay, so Acropolis is very nearby, and there's this Arch of Hades, and if you walk a little further you have a lot of departmental stores. So this was a Saturday, so हम लोग चलते चलते एक vegan सुपरमार्केट में आ गए। 100% प्लान बेस्ड, 100% ऑर्गेनिक वगैरह वगैरह, कभी नहीं देखा इंडिया में। तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे हैं, एंड दीज आर लाइक टोटली प्लान बेस्ड पैटीज एंड सॉसेजेस। सो I gave up meat in 2017. So ever since then, I have never felt the urge to have meat. So I got home some, like, plant-based food. Let's see how they look like. Even there is plant-based cheese. So it's like absolutely vegan. Plant-based milk भी है, बट पता नहीं क्यों ये दिखाते हैं कि वो काउ मिल्क है। वीगन is very different from vegetarian. So yeah, that's my outfit of the day, and now I felt like having some vegan sausages and some meatballs, vegan meatballs. So this is not a cooking vlog, but yes, everything is easily available, so I just prefer to stir fry with a little bit of olive oil, or like cook it in the oven for like 3 to 5 minutes. Instructions बहुत अच्छे से दिए हुए हैं, so please read the instructions. कुछ कुछ के 8 minutes होते हैं, कुछ कुछ के 4 to 5 minutes होते हैं, so I try not to overcook. And there's a fully stocked pantry also in this Airbnb, though I prefer not to eat from there. I just took their olive oil and this nuggets and everything, ये सब मैंने ही खरीदा. Okay, this looks like mince meat, but it is like vegan meat, but it's not soy based. Amazing. I'll have to research more about it. So this is my fully stocked refrigerator. I brought some vegan organic, अभी ये तो vegan नहीं हो सकता, organic berries, but they are not that sweet, but it has a mix of, like, acai berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. But honestly, fruits in Thailand and Vietnam are much more sweeter. Yeah, that's like, because I've traveled to Thailand and Vietnam extensively, and I have had a lot of fruits over there. The soil is very fertile for growing good fruits, tasty ones. Here it's like good, but it's not sweet. Okay, but here you have a lot of vegan food options, which I did not find in Thailand. Now let me just prepare. I'll just unwrap it, and I'll show you how it looks like. See, it looks absolutely like meat. And this patty, इसको थॉ करने के बाद जब मैंने ओवन में कुक किया, थोड़ा ऑलिव ऑयल दिया इस पे, और फिर से 2-3 मिनट और कुक किया, अमेजिंग. It just tastes like meat. Oh, I have given up eggs also. I think I gave up eggs in 2021. So now I'm absolutely vegetarian, though not vegan. So the next day I was watching some cartoon. It was a Sunday. Everything is in Greek here. It's all Greek to me. So I figured, let me watch some Sonic Boom, and did my basic workout because I was just bored, and it was so early in the morning. India is 3.5 hours ahead of Greece. After my workout, I had some milk and Fruit Loops. Here you call them fruity rings. They're quite good. ज़्यादा स्वीट नहीं है, इसीलिए मुझे और अच्छा लगता है. आई डोंट लाइक to add any condiments in my milk. And मुझे इंडिया में चोकोफिल्स ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, but I wish they were more chocolatey. So wherever I travel, I carry my own Ayurvedic oils and everything. So you can take me out of India, but you cannot take India out of me. The milk here is very expensive, but this is like vegan organic milk. However, इंडिया में सबसे महंगा जो होता है 1 लीटर का, I guess it comes for like 300 250 ऐसा. See, after this, I had a quick bath and in cold water. It's good for health. मैं कहीं पे भी जाऊँ, जब मैं पेरिस में भी थी, I used to bathe in cold water only. थोड़ा difficult होता है, but I try to bathe in cold water. I prepared all this like vegan sausages with vegan cheese and everything, and a spritz of olive oil, and you just put it in the microwave for like 3 to 7 minutes. ज़्यादा overcook मत करना. Within 5 minutes, it's basically ready. After that, I got ready and went for a stroll. This is the Ark of Hades or Hades, and उसका cultural significance भी है. एंड यहाँ से होटल से थोड़ी दूर, होटल नहीं एयरबीएनबी से थोड़ी दूर, यू हैव दिस मॉडर्न ओलंपिक्स वाला जो स्टेडियम है. 1896 में मॉडर्न ओलंपिक्स यहाँ पे स्टेज हुआ था फर्स्ट, तो वो भी बहुत पास में है. एंड इट्स fully made of marble. Here you get everything that's in marble, okay? But it's not that it's very cheap over here. Here we came across some jewelry made of marble that's like very expensive, and it's unique, but I don't know. Marble के लिए इतना पैसा, I would not pay for jewelry. What do you all think? So this is a typical Greek market, also very much like normal European markets which I found in Paris, and you get a lot of stuff here. But I'd recommend you not to buy any linen stuff from here. In Southeast Asia, like Thailand, you will get it for like cheap and better quality. Here it is like they outsource it from those places. So all these summer dresses, beach dresses, यहाँ से खरीदने का कोई मतलब नहीं है unless you want to buy them at a more expensive price. Instead, you can buy sweatshirts, sweaters, etc. Because I'll have to trek and I'm so well dressed. I just want to enjoy. Let's choose to walk away from the Acropolis. मुझे ट्रैक करने का कोई मन नहीं था. एंड आई थिंक द फी एक फी दे के यू हैव टू एंटर some euros. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, the choice is yours.
আম্মা তো সব ওদিকে.
So marble is like very easily available over here, and the buildings are very beautiful. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा द कॉम्बिनेशन एवरीथिंग इज सो सोबर एंड क्लासी इवन द रोड्स आर ऑफ मार्बल एज यू कैन सी
Exactly. Best.
इसके बाद we went to some jewelry store for like necklaces and everything, men's necklaces, which is not very easily available. However, the price here is a bit exorbitant. Like they were charging like 80 euros for a marble necklace. I'll just look it up online. Obviously, it's a bit heavier than plastic. I don't know. I don't know. I've not worn marble jewelry so far. So people who actually know should pass judgment. After this, we walked to some bakery because all the supermarkets are closed on Sundays. So we had this butter croissant and I think another like spinach and cheese pastry. So that was a bit more on the that was a bit more on the savory side. Then we had some tiramisu and another sweet pastry. So the total bill came up to like 21 euros. What I want to say is that it's a bit expensive. Um, However, like if you're in Europe, you should be well prepared for incidental expenses because your day to day expenses, how much ever you try to cut them down, will be uh, a bit higher than that in Southeast Asia. So you cannot say that ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया. You should be like very well prepared for this. I started having the spinach and cheese croissant and the butter croissant. I was like so hungry. Actually, good food makes everyone like hungry. Opposite में एक इकूरा बोल के कोरियन फूड जॉइंट था वहाँ से हम लोगों ने सोचा कि let's take some like fried rice and noodles and stuff. So we have not tried Korean food as yet in Southeast Asia where whenever we've been. However, we are a big very fond of like noodles, Hakka noodles, and I must say like Chinatown in Bangkok is very good. If you all go to Bangkok, you should try Chinatown for cheap savory Chinese. So coming back to this food that we ordered, the noodles was okay, not that great, different from what we've had before. And the fried rice हम लोगों ने पूरा वेज मंगवाया था, but उसमें भी egg है. So we just walked back to our Airbnb. वहाँ पे जाके पता चला कि fried rice में ये लोग गलती से egg दे दिए. Nothing else to do. These are the streets of Greece, very similar to Indian streets. So I just want to say that not everything is in India is as bad, just bad. यहाँ पे भी beggars हैं बट यहाँ पे भी streets clean है. इंडिया में भी beggars हैं, इंडिया में भी streets clean है. So like it depends on your perspective. So keep watching my vlogs for more. Bye.